Hey, what's up? By the time you're watching this, it's already Diwali, so Diwali, guys. And if you're wondering why you didn't say Happy Diwali, that is what we're talking about today. Okay, let's dive down to our topic, that is why I didn't say Happy Diwali instead of saying only Diwali. A couple of days back, my mom asked me, what dresses do you want for Diwali? And I said no, I don't want any dress for my Diwali. Also, I didn't get any new dresses for my birthday too. And I was just wondering, why is this happening to me and why am I not any more interested in all these happy Diwali and happy birthday? Or there's just this giant misconception in Indian community, at least not everyone, some of them. The Indian community or the community around us has injected in our brains that you gotta work or you gotta struggle in order to live a nice life. You know what I'm saying, right? When we take a look at all these festivals, that is Happy Ramzan or Happy Dasara or Happy Diwali or Happy Pongal or Happy Christmas, whatever religion, whatever caste. As an Indian kid, I too celebrated all of these festivals, and the honest reason that I have lost interest in all of these festivals is because every day is a happy day for me. So intentionally, when these happy festivals or happy thing comes, I just don't feel any interest in it. There's nothing wrong in celebrating a festival or exchanging sweets and buying new dresses. There's nothing wrong with that. Let's look at life in a big picture, that is from a perspective of universe. In this whole large universe, you're just this tiny, just this much. This tiny little human that is existing on Earth. The moment you're born into Earth, you will never know when you're gonna die. I might die literally this second, There can be a huge asteroid falling on my house, and who knows, my best friend can upload this video saying RIP Darshan. Life should not be lived in that way. That's my opinion. Life should not be struggle every day in order to live some life or live a materialistic life. What I personally feel is that every day should be a happy day, every day should be a joyous day, every day should be fun living it, you should look forward to it. They say that TGIF, that is thank God it's Fridays. Honestly, whenever people say that, I just feel so bad for them. Oh God, look at these miserable people who are just waiting for that weekends to enjoy. I mean, just come on, man. What's the point of living if you don't love what you do or enjoy what you're doing every day? If you're a person who's enjoying what you're doing every day, I think that this festival is not a big deal for you. As a thing happened in the gym today, I asked my trainer whether the gym will be open tomorrow, that is Diwali. He told that it will be open, and he asked me whether I'll come or not. I told, of course, why not? It's Saturday, I have a climb ahead tomorrow. I'm so excited already. And he asked me, bro, why is there no Diwali for you or no celebration in the house? I said, no bro, it's just a normal day for me. It's not Diwali and all. It's just a Saturday where I can climb Mount Everest in my imagination. And he was just amazed by the answer that I gave him, because he said that he had to struggle, or he had to give up his house time in order to spend time in the gym itself. That is, he got to work tomorrow. Actually, my opinion might be wrong, but what I think is, it's okay if you're struggling for some time in your life, or if you're trying to build something in a struggling way. We all are not equally fortunate enough in order to live our life. I think this all comes deep down boiling to do what you love. You know what I'm saying? Once I started vlogging daily or doing the thing that I really love to do, all these happy festival days has disappeared from my mind, and every day is a happy day for me. Every day is an exciting day. It's a fun day. I am honestly waiting for tomorrow's climb and tomorrow's vlog. I don't know what I'm vlogging tomorrow, but still I'll be coming back with another vlog tomorrow. I think the tweet which I read yesterday is more suitable for this topic itself. There's an investor called Naval Ravikant in Twitter. He's an investor, he's an entrepreneur. The tweet itself said that there's 3 options for retirement. Option number 1, that is, you're working till your death. You have to work in order to spend your money in whatever thing you want to do. And option number 2, that is, you reduce your spendings and increase your savings. When your savings is increased, you can gradually spend that amount till you die. Option number 3, do what you love. When you're loving what you're doing, money is not a big issue for you, because it becomes an infinite amount of resources as you're enjoying your job, or you can do it till your death, right? So if you're that type of guy who is waiting for all these festival celebrations, or who is waiting for weekends to enjoy your life, start working on a job that you enjoy or you love to do, so that every day is a weekend for you. You know, today is a weekend for me, tomorrow is a weekend for me. I personally believe that we are born on this earth to enjoy our life and not to struggle or not to worry about something. You live only once, you never know when you're gonna die, so why not make every day as a happy day? Full disclosure, I don't have any objection who is celebrating Diwali, and once again, happy Diwali, guys. Enjoy your day, make the most out of it. But what I'm trying to say is, enjoy every day of your life. Try to make most out of every moment of your life. I'm not gonna be that type of YouTuber who's saying, bro, have a safe Diwali while bursting crackers. I'm gonna say, bro, you're already killing the earth. Stop bursting crackers, for God's sake.